The Vertiv PowerBar IMPB is a data center busbar system that allows you to quickly and confidently transform your data center power distribution infrastructure over time. The Vertiv PowerBar IMPB flexes with business needs. Modular. Multiple configurations. And integrates with other Vertiv power solutions. An adaptive busway design delivers continuous power and the ability to add tap-off boxes anywhere for cost-effective and rapid scalability. The Vertiv PowerBar IMPB offers ease of install without requiring special tooling and is designed to be hot swappable. The Vertiv PowerBar IMPB busbar has an IP2X3X safety rating for finger-safe installation. The optional aluminum conductor is lightweight for easy deployment and highly recyclable. Vertiv PowerBar IMPB gives data center managers flexibility, control, and peace of mind when changing and adapting to keep pace with hardware demands.